Hey everyone, happy Friday. Once again, it's been a scorcher of a Friday with high temperatures reaching the triple digits in many spots. We tied the record of 103 here in Weslaco, set back in 1948. As expected, sadly, things are very quiet on the radar. That's the way it should stay for tonight. Look at the temperatures. We're still in the triple digits out west. 109 degrees in Rio Grande City. It is 102 in Edinburgh, currently 96 in Harlingen, and finally off the triple digits out east. 96 in Raymondville, 91 in Port Isabel, and 94 in Brownsville. But when you factor that humidity into the air temperature, it feels like 110 in Rio Grande City. It feels like 104 in Raymondville and 105 in Brownsville. It's also been a breezy Friday. The winds are out of the south to southeast between 13 to 18 miles an hour, gusting to 30 still in Harlingen and 24 in Brownsville. So it's going to stay breezy for this evening, especially early on. And it's also hot at 7 p.m. with temperatures in the mid-90s. So if you're going out for tonight, prepare for a very warm Friday evening. We're still in the upper 80s at 9 p.m. under mostly clear skies, and then 85 is your temperature at 11 o'clock this evening. Low temperatures only around 80 degrees. Hey, let's talk about the tropics. It is very quiet in the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, and Gulf of Mexico, but maybe for next week, things might start to get interesting. We'll talk about that shortly in the Gulf of Mexico. Out west, here's the eastern Pacific. Here's Mexico. We're watching this area of low pressure just south of Guatemala, which has a 70% chance of development over the next 5 days as it tracks almost parallel to the coast of Mexico. Back home in Texas, things are very quiet here in the valley thanks to a very stable air mass, a big area of high pressure aloft. So that's why the temperatures have been hot. Out east, they're seeing a lot of rain along the west coast of Florida. One front stalled out over Louisiana and Georgia, and then severe thunderstorm watches continue for western Kansas and eastern Colorado. Look at the temperatures. It is baking across Texas right now for this early Friday evening. 103 in Abilene, 100 in Austin and San Antonio, 91 of cooler spots. That's in Houston, 96 in Longview, 99 in Dallas-Fort Worth, and also 99 out west in El Paso. So here's Future Track. The Big Blue H, big area of high pressure stays over our region for this weekend, and that's why it's going to stay very hot with high temperatures throughout the weekend in the triple digits. It stays dry for Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, but we're going to watch for next week as a potential tropical wave may try to track up the Bay of Campeche and the western Gulf of Mexico. And this model wants to take it perhaps toward the middle Texas Gulf Coast by next Thursday and Friday. Again, there's a lot of uncertainty with this. It may or may not develop. Don't panic about it, but it is something just to watch over the next couple of days next week. At the least, it might give us a better chance for some showers starting next Thursday, either Friday and Saturday. So dry for tomorrow, dry for Sunday, and also dry on Monday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are choppy and the seas 2 to 5 feet. Here's your first Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. We'll call it mostly clear, warm and breezy with low temperatures right around 80. Then for tomorrow, more scorching heat, mostly sunny, hot and breezy again with a high temperature of 101. We'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 miles an hour. So the heat indices or feels like temperatures will range between 108 to about 111. So if you're outside during the day, please take it easy and drink lots and lots of water. It will stay hot. It'll feel even hotter thanks to the humidity. More of the same for your Sunday. 101 on Sunday with mostly sunny skies, and it stays breezy really for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But look at that. We finally get off the triple digits by next week. We're back to 99 on Tuesday, 97 on Wednesday, and whatever happens with that tropical disturbance, potential tropical disturbance or wave, we're going to put in a 20% chance of some stray showers on Wednesday, maybe 30% chance for some spotty showers or a thunderstorm Thursday and Friday, but at least those high temperatures are back to about 96 Thursday and Friday. So keep in mind the normal high temperature for this time of the year is 97. So we should be right around normal Wednesday and perhaps below normal for Thursday and Friday. The morning lows, they may come down just a bit as well next week. We're back to 79 on Tuesday, 77 on Wednesday, and then back to the mid-70s for Thursday and for Friday. That is your first Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Oscar.